So a guy who will
Perhaps I'm going too fucking fast. Yo! Hey, yo! This is Ian Jimmy coming to you live with my mom's coworker's two sons. We're on a freaking ride and it's so cringe! Oh, God! Are you freaking kidding me?
For your safety, if you have jetpacks or gravity analyzers, please do not take flight while
That's pretty amazing.
Thank you.
Oh, no! Hey guys, smile for the freaking camera. Logan. No. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. No.
By two of my favorite spots. First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream.
Guys, look! Oh no 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 no!
Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak.
Look, guys, look!
Star Traders, home to the greatest
Guys, look!
stars.
Oh shit, yeah! Oh man, look at this! Oh no! Mommy! Yo, look at this!
Approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
Yo, good thing I got my tripod. Teen Titans go! Yo guys, look at this race. Oh, no, no, no. Oh God, oh God. Oh no, we're backing up. Oh God. Oh God, no. Will y'all chill up? Stop act. Y'all are adults. Act like it.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy and
Oh no. Oh shit.
This is Starboard 75.
Or as we always call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed rocket port to distant deep space destination.
Man up. What is it? Yo, this is dark as hell. Yo, look at this. Yo, yeah! If we get scared, brace me. Oh my freaking hand.
At the most refreshing
Liam.
retreat in the galaxy, the coral rooms of Pisces 7. You
Liam,
H2O to
give me
yourself.
that.
Book today.
Yeah. Oh, give me your freaking hand, bro. Oh. Oh, yo, look at that. Wait, where the hell are we? Wait, it's too damn dark. Wait, no. Where are we going? Oh no, calm down. God damn, bro. Wait, where are we going? Oh no. Liam, can you see me? Where the hell we're going? Where? Oh God, no! Help me! Oh God, no! There's the exit. Oh shit! Oh no! We're coming out of the dark. We're out of the dark, guys.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow, please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Yo, that was fun.
Yeah. I don't want to see this.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, got some free. Look.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship.
Oh, no.
Launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
The next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Not again! Oh God, no! 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 What the cringe? Dude, look at that! That's hot. Mama,
Dead forever. Dead forever. Forever.
God. Oh.
Take the time to see this show.
Oh God. Whoa.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our people movement journey has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you.
Another photo. Another
And
photo.
now we're concluding.
Hey guys,
This is
another
always
photo.
my favorite part.
Smile.
'Cause
You too,
now is
Logan.
the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the future.
Yep. See you in the future, y'all. Oh, hey, that wasn't so bad.
Away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms, antennae, and other appendages away from the doors and remain seated until they open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms, antennae, and other appendages away from the doors and remain seated until they open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep arms, antennae,